Hi, welcome to Ellie's Jewellery House. Today I wanted to show you some beads that I ordered off Totally Beads, just like a little haul of mainly 6mm, 8mm and some seed beads. I have these blue and yellow speckled glass beads. They're 8mm. I love the blue is amazing. You can see the speckled colours, or the speckled, I don't know if you can see, it's out of focus, speckled colours. They're really lovely colours, lovely beads. Glass beads, 8mm aqua and your yellow. Doesn't actually say how many's on there, but I think there is about there's about 50 a strand, maybe 60 a strand. So you get quite a long strand. So that's those ones. And then these ones are a opaline clear. So they're like an opaly kind of clear colour. Also, these are 6mm. They are pink, sort of clear pink. Can't really see against my hand, it's because it's kind of roughly the same colour, but they are really nice as well. 6mm. I think they were £1. The 6mm ones I think were £1, and then this gorgeous blue. I don't think that's aqua. I think that's opal clear turquoise. It's like turquoise colour. I think that's the milky turquoise. So there is kind of a milky colour in there, but I don't think you can see that well. It's quite a nice colour. The camera's out of focus. Yeah, so they're quite nice. Yeah, all the 6mm ones were £1. Then you've got the opal, yeah, ruby red. So that's that one. And they're really nice as well. Lovely colour red. So they'd be nice on a cluster necklace on the bottom, maybe even a cluster bracelet. Then there's the green. They're quite nice as well. I'm not sure what green they've put this on. There's this aqua. It's a bit like a peridot colour, I think. But they're quite nice as well. Again, £1. Then there's the milky opaline. There's 2 strands of this. That's why they look a bit tangled up. There's 2 strands. So these are a milky colour. So a bit like the 8mm opaline clear, but these ones are a milky opaline clear. So as you see, they're a bit whiter in colour than these ones. So they're all quite nice as well. I think they were £1. Oh, they were £1.50. 1 second. This is Theo, my big cat, and he keeps looking at my beads, so I'm going to move him quickly. There we go. Oh. He weighs over a stone. He's quite heavy. Oh yeah, the aqua, the speckled aqua. These are 8mm, and also the speckled 6mm. Even though they look quite a different colour, some darker colour, they are speckled. So maybe these are a turquoisey and these are aqua. Maybe, I don't know. But yeah, they're quite nice as well. I also ordered some seed beads. These are lemon, pearl shine lemon, size 8. This is a 100g bag. This is quite a big bag of seed beads. They were £2 for these, so they're quite good. So you get quite a lot for 100g in there. So they will go really nicely to make a necklace with the blue. They will go really nice that for summer, or maybe even a darker blue. So, or even yellow for summer. So they're really nice. Also there is turquoise, pearl shine turquoise. I think that's those as well, which are these. They are a 100g bag. and they were also £2 for those. So yeah, they are size 8 as well. So basically 200 gram for 2 bags, £4. 2 bags of seed beads. I did notice that these ones they look slightly bigger. But yeah, they're nice colour. Those again, adding the yellow, the green, or the blue. There's a green one there. You could add all sorts of colours to make some necklaces with those. They're nice. Yeah, soft pink. They're a soft pink. And I don't think they're even a 10 gram bag. Oh, they are a 10 gram. It just looks smaller than that. Might be because they're actually quite small. But that's a 10 gram bag of seed beads. And then these ones, I think these are like a creamy yellow colour, cream colour. Also 11 O's, size 11, and a 10 gram bag. So they're quite nice as well. And I think they were, okay, these were £1.50 and these were £1.40. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the, in the description, I'll leave the link below for Totally Beads. If you wanted to have a look at their website to see, if you wanted to, you know, have a look. They also sell pendants. So as you can see, this little one here, it has a hole at the top there, and it has all different colours in. I think it's orange, red, brown topaz, blue, green, yellow. Well, I don't know if I said yellow already, but yeah, it's a really nice little pendant. I think that was £1. Just a little pendant. Can't see the colours. It's really, really lovely colours. There's this one. It is a faceted oval 20 and broken. I have another one. I bought 2. Yeah, try not to drop them. That's 22mm, and I think it was that's £1. So £1, and then the hole. I don't know if you probably can't see, but this bit along the top here is where you put the wire or the string through. So it's basically the hole is at the side there, so you put it through. It's really nice, 22mm. So it's that one. I will pick that one up in a minute. It's probably chipped because it's glass. Then this one is the rectangle one. Again, the gap at the top where you put the wire through, and this one is a clear one. It's a 50. No, it's not. It's a 20mm clear AB bead pendant. And it is glass bead faceted rectangle to 20mm. So there, that's quite nice. It shines really lovely. You can get all the pinks and the yellows with the light, and that's really nice. Then there's this one, which is a little red and silver heart. Actually, it looks kind of more orangey than red, the light on it. That one is silver lined, silver foiled lined with so it's lampwork, a lampwork bead pendant. It's red and silver lampwork heart pendant is, and £1. There's £1. So that one there's £1. Really lovely. And the last one, which I really like, again, it's got the loop at the top there, and then it's got these beautiful blues and greens and sort of goldy colour there as well. I will be careful not to drop this one. This one is a 52mm. I can't get my words out today. 52mm, and it just says Lampwork Pendant, but it's got some gorgeous colours. So there's green, silver foiled by the looks of it inside. There's a silvery blue colour, there's a gold, there's a green, and I think there's a bit of like sort of like a darker blue lines. I don't think they're black, it's a darker blue. So it's really nice, and it's quite thick as well. It's quite thick. I think that is, the thickness of that is probably a good 8mm on that, 52. So rectangle pendant. So really lovely. So that's it for today for my bead haul. Can't believe I dropped one. I haven't done that before. So yeah, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.